Much better today, third day. Swelling at the base of the tail is down. He even made a short running burst after a butterfly today. He's jumping a little higher. This is the first time he's using his scratching post outside since the incident. Seems to have regained all of his, or a good percentage of his rear end movement, except for the tail. The tail still is mostly limp, but not as limp as it was the first day or two. So he's on the mend. He has the strength in his legs. He has full mobility. There's no problems with incontinence, no problems with elimination. I still haven't seen any poop, but he's an outside pooper, so I'd have to stumble upon it. Anyway, come on, kid. Show him how you can walk. Come on. Come on, Snoop. Snoopy! Snoopy! There'll be no humping recuperating cats, okay? Yeah. Well, see, now he just jumped up on that tombstone. What a pose. Yeah, you're gorgeous with the setting sun lighting you. Say goodbye, Snoop. Yep, see? Found an insect, and he can move around. He just ate an insect. He doesn't eat much. Doesn't cost hardly anything to feed him. Doesn't eat much of what I have for him. Okay.